back to my channel and to another video. I'm Joy and I make sewing tutorials, creative upcycling videos, and anything that makes clothing on a budget. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to click the subscribe down below and also give this video a hit thumbs up as we go. Today's video is so exciting for me because I'm going to be recreating this beautiful dress from House of CB. Now, if you're not familiar with House of CB, they are a brand that makes a really cute and really feminine clothing. So I thrifted this dress. It's a sheer dress. I'm not sure. I think it's back in 2023 or 2022, and it has these ties at the front. It also has these pleats at the front. It has sleeves and it gets to like mid-length. So I'm going to try as much as possible because this is the only fabric that I'm going to be using, so that it can be enough. Now I need something to have this a bit opaque, so I'm going to go with a nudish or a brown lining, but I do not have that, so let's go shopping. So I just got everything is in here, and I've got my chocolate lining, or rather my brown lining. It's really cute. I love it. I got 2 meters of this, and I also got some other things, and I got a brown zipper. I'm not sure why I got a brown zipper, but we'll see if I end up using a zipper. And I also got some bias binding so that I can finish all my edges using this. And I got some brown thread because I do not have that. I'm going to use the same pattern that I used on my previous video where I recreated this beautiful Alexander McQueen dress. If you've not watched that video, make sure you do. So I'm going to be using the denier bodysuit pattern. Now the entire pattern gets to like your higher hip, so from there I'm going to recreate the whole pattern again so that it fits like my legs and all that. And because I can talk all day, let me go cut out everything.
Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Lately you've been trying to buy time for me, but your watch broke. Now your shot clock counting down. Headed to the middle, not your MO. Baby, push the tempo. Don't know how much longer till I hit the ground running. Are you stopping me? You gotta go like Monopoly. I'm trying to make you my property. Better yet, buy me some property. 'Cause we've been doing this forever. Guess it's never, never. 'Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. Don't wanna take it. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more.
I just cut out all of my pattern pieces, and what I did to the pattern to extend it, it's just that I measured from my waist to my hips, and I marked on my pattern pieces my waist and extended that to my hip, did my hip measurement, distributed it among the 3 pattern pieces that I have, and then I measured my waist to my knee, made that a little bit curved, and then from my knee to my full length where I want it to get, I just extended it straight, and I got my pattern as easy as that and transferred all that to my fabric. Yeah, so I'm going to start with the cups. These are the cups, really tiny. I did a D cup this time instead of B stroke C, and I'm hoping it's going to be just a little bit bigger and cover my bust more. And then after making the cups, I can go ahead, join the center front to the side fronts, and then join the side fronts to the back, and then add up the cups as I join the lining to the shell, as I add straps as well.
Taking my time to look at you after all that we've been through. Wondering how you can do it. Kissing and queer with someone new. Is she the one you've been dying for? Keeping you out here more and more. You've been missing on your IG. Guess you thought I couldn't find her ID. You can hide the truth. Now I know why you left my calls on hold. Every time I found out you got reasons not to be around, but you fucked it well, you should praise yourself. I'm done putting my trust on you. I'm done putting you. I'm done putting my trust. I'm done putting my trust. I'm done putting my trust.
So I realized that I just went on sewing and I didn't tell you what I'm doing. So after I finished up with my cups, that is the shell and the lining pieces, I went ahead and started joining the main body, or rather the dress part. And what I did is I joined my center front piece to my side front pieces, both of them, and now I have just pinned my side front pieces to my back pieces, and I want to join that in place, and then I can join my back pieces together, that is the lace fabric and the lining fabric together, before I do attach my zipper, and then we'll figure out from
Never thought that she would be the one that I need the most. I was such a fucking ass for cheating on you. Cause when I see the tears, I know I've lost ya. Yeah, I can have a million reasons, but there would be no reason for redemptions. Yeah, I can have some explanations, but how can I change the situation? This guilty feeling is me from inside. 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 You can.
the side seams are completely done, so I want to go press that, and then when I come back I want to join up my lining piece to my back piece at the back, so that I can now go ahead and actually bind everything join the cups first and then bind everything so that I can finish. This is how far I have the dress and everything. The only thing that is left is the zipper at the back. That's why you can see me holding the back as I am, and attaching my straps and finishing the top part and the bottom part as well. But other than that, I really do love how it looks. My boobs are not really in the cups yet because I have this halter situation going on. But if I try and add them up like that, I think it's working. Is it though? Yeah, I don't think the whole skin tone thing that I was going for is what I'm getting. My zipper is all attached and it's working. It's really cute, and I know that the original dress has ties at the back, but I thought that since it has a zipper at the side seam, I could just do the zipper and avoid the ties. And now all that is left is finishing off all of these raw edges as I attach my strap right here. So remember that bias tape that we got lots and lots of it? Yeah, this is what I'm going to be using to finish every raw edge that I have in this dress. I know I look a bit weird, but let's ignore that. That is not why we're here. We are here to talk about this dress. The dress is complete and I am so happy. The reason I'm happy is because it turned out great, but also I am done with it because this dress stressed me out. Starting the point where I was cutting everything out, this lace fabric was not cooperating. Tell me why. The dress was fitting me so well. The moment I seam ripped everything, and McQ, it had pleats in it. The moment I seam ripped everything, started laying my patterns, the patterns were too big and they fit my body exactly. Yeah, that didn't make sense. I really struggled with that, but I figured it out later. Turns out the actual lace stretches. Yeah, so that is my issue I've come across when I was sewing, because as I was joining the pieces, the lace stretches but the lining does not. So I have some bulging in some places, but once I wear the dress, everything is okay. The other thing is about the lining. I was going for like naked kind of illusion, but I just got, yeah, you're wearing a brown dress underneath. So I think the chocolate lining was not the way to go. I should have picked the lighter one. So that's something to keep in mind next time when I make such. I'm definitely making an illusion dress. Until I get the illusion right, I'm going to keep making illusion dresses. This is the first of many. Now, the other thing that I struggled with is joining the pieces. Honestly, I seam ripped a lot, but it turned out amazing. Again, these cups look small, but trust me, they're big. Like, I did a D cup and I usually do a B stroke C cup on this pattern, and yeah, nothing has changed on my body, but this has changed, but they fit in here so well. It's just that, yeah, there's some sort of peekaboo over here, but when I'm styling it, it might change. Now, that's the point where I was getting at. I am not sure where I would wear such a dress. Honestly, it has no sleeves, it's white, so give me suggestions on how to style this dress and where to actually wear a white midi dress. Okay, yeah, now before I get to show you the final look, make sure you subscribe down below and also give this video a thumbs up and also share with a friend. And now let's see how it looked before.
Got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say, just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way?